Okay, what we have here, 1979 Ford F150 four-wheel drive with a lift kit. Not sure if it's a 3-inch or a 4-inch lift kit. It's had a recent body restoration, glass out, bare metal, all panels off, bed off, in its original P code, 1978 P code, coral orange, and it absolutely looks beautiful. So it's a very sunny day today. There's no rot on it. It was rot free, every panel, all taken back to bare metal. Absolutely gleams. It's just straight, laser straight, beautiful. Bumpers are new, front and rear bumpers, aluminium grille surround, lenses, marker lights, mirrors, 4 wheels and tyres, brand new wheels from America, 5-slot mags, brand new tyres, new glass in the cab, the rear's been bed lined. The door cards are new. Most of the interior is actually original. I think the seat's been recovered at some side. It's not perfect, but it's actually very, very nice. It's got a few little scuffs and bits on it, but it's actually very, very nice. Carpet's nice. It's had a new dash cap at some stage. All the gauges work. New steering wheel. This is a cold start. It fires up like that. Hot or cold. Doesn't smoke. Engine's absolutely lovely. It's a really strong engine. See if I can get his bonnet open because it's a bit of a beast. Put the camera down a moment. Runs absolutely faultlessly. Listen to that. It's a beautiful, beautiful truck.